Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the 1000 plus mile range TV antenna. It's received 4.8 out of 5 stars and it is a #1 bestseller on Amazon. Introducing the ultimate 1000 plus mile range TV antenna. Tired of paying for expensive cable packages or dealing with spotty reception? Say goodbye to those hassles with this revolutionary 1000 plus mile range TV antenna. Whether you live in a bustling city, rural area, or anywhere in between, this powerful antenna is designed to pull in channels from across vast distances, delivering crystal clear HD reception straight to your living room. Covering over 1,000 miles, you'll never miss your favorite local, national, or even international broadcast. Installation is easy. Just plug the amplifier into a power source and connect it between the antenna and your TV to boost weak signals. Using your TV remote, go to the settings menu and start a channel scan. Your TV will search for available channels based on the signal strength of the antenna. Built to withstand the elements, this antenna ensures uninterrupted viewing no matter the weather. That's it. You're all set to enjoy free over-the-air programming from your 1000 plus mile range TV antenna. Cut the cord, keep the quality, and get the best entertainment without breaking the bank. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.